Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, September 8th. The Zen story for today is titled The Bell That Rang Too Soon. Do you think snails get bored? The monkey asked. The monk didn't answer right away. He was watching a hawk circle above the ridge. They don't do anything, the monkey went on. Just slime and glide, no drama. And that's when it came, a low, distant toll. The monkey froze mid-step, ears twitching. That's it, it hissed. We're late. Late for what? The monk asked. For the ceremony, the offering, the opening of the temple gates. Pick any sacred thing you like. We've missed it. But we don't even know. Run, the monkey barked, already sprinting down the path. The monk followed, heart pounding. He ducked under branches, stumbled through brambles, leapt over streams. Mud clung to his rope like second thoughts. A thorn tore his leaf. Still the bell echoed, 2, 3, 4 more times. He ran harder. They reached the village at dusk, breathless, empty. The streets were lined with closed shutters. No music, no incense, no people. Just a single bell hanging in the plaza, swaying gently in the breeze, clinking against itself with no rhythm, no ritual, no hand to strike it. The monk stepped closer. It was cracked, not in half, but just enough to never ring quite the same way twice. The monkey wandered over, scratched its head, and said nothing. The monk sat down, breathing heavily. He looked at his torn rope, his scraped palms, his blistered feet. Above him, the bell tilted slightly, caught by a shift in the wind. It clinked again, softly this time, like a whisper, or perhaps a laugh. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What have you been rushing toward only to find that what you feared missing was never quite what you thought? What have you been rushing toward only to find that what you feared missing was never quite what you thought? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What have you been rushing toward, only to find that what you feared missing was never quite what you thought? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.